In today's video, you will learn how to set up BOGO on Shopify. A BOGO offer, also known as a buy one, get one promotion, is one of the most popular discount strategies used by online stores to increase sales and encourage customers to purchase more items in a single order. Shopify includes built-in discount tools that make it possible to create these promotions directly inside your store dashboard, without needing advanced coding or third-party setup. To begin, access your Shopify admin dashboard where all of your store management tools are located. Once you are inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and locate the discount section. This is where Shopify allows store owners to create promotional offers, automatic discounts, and special pricing campaigns for customers. After entering the discounts area, continue by selecting the option to create a new discount. Shopify will then show several discount types that can be used for different promotional strategies. From these options, choose the one labeled Buy X, Get Y. This setting is designed specifically for BOGO-style promotions, where customers purchase one item and receive another item either free or at a discounted price. Once you select the Buy X, Get Y option, Shopify will display the setup conditions for the offer. Under the Buy X section, choose the product or collection customers must purchase in order to qualify for the promotion. This can be a single product or an entire collection, depending on how you want the offer to work inside your store. Next, move to the Get Y section. Here you will select the product or collection customers will receive through the promotion. This second item can either be completely free or discounted based on the settings you choose later in the process. For a traditional buy one, get one free offer, set the quantity conditions to buy one and get one. This tells Shopify exactly how the promotion should apply during checkout. After that, go to the discount value section and select 100% off if you want the second item to be free. Shopify also allows you to control how often the offer can be used within a single order. Depending on your promotion strategy, you can choose whether the discount applies only once or multiple times. If customers continue adding qualifying products to their cart, once the settings are configured, give your promotion a clear and recognizable name. This helps organize your discounts and makes them easier to identify later when managing your store promotions. After saving the discount, the BOGO offer becomes active according to the settings you selected. Customers who meet the conditions during checkout will automatically receive the promotion applied to their order. That is the complete process for setting up a BOGO offer on Shopify.